Hey guys, what's up? Hi, my name is Ashi and today I'm going to teach you how to draw mandala art. Mandala art basically originated in India long back. It's even mentioned in Rig Vedas. And this form of art was basically used as a therapy and healing by a lot of people and a lot of culture. And to be really honest, even I started doing it like that. I just thought of practicing it because it looked really attractive. And when I started practicing it, I found myself at peace. I just realized that it's just not a form of art, it's basically a form of meditating. So today I'm here to share the secret of meditation with you guys. So let's get started.
As you can see, I'm making 4 circles of different radius here, which will provide me 4 different areas for my patterns to be drawn. I've used few instruments here to make my circle. In case if you're doing it on a piece of paper, you can either use a compass or any other instrument you are comfortable with. Now I'm filling my outer circle with triangular patterns. You can start with either a circular pattern or semicircular pattern. Just remember one thing, whatever you draw, just try to keep them in symmetry, because symmetry and balance are very important in mandala art. Now I'm filling my second circle with semicircular pattern and I'm trying my best to maintain the symmetry as much as I can. As you can see, I'm filling my outer circle with smaller triangles inside the bigger one, because adding more character to your artwork will make it look more attractive. Now I'm filling the vacant areas by drawing more triangles and adding small triangles inside my semicircle patterns. And if you look deeply into the details of the patterns, you'll definitely find flaws somewhere. But after you complete your artwork, it just disappears somewhere, and that's the beauty of mandala art. So in case if you make any mistake while making your mandala art or in life, don't stop yourself there. Continue making it and try to make your flaws look beautiful too. The reason why I chose to draw my mandala art in a circle is because I have always been a mountain lover. While I was drawing it, I was trying to put my love for the beautiful sun in this piece of art. You can draw your mandala art in a triangle, square, or whatever shape you like. But always remember, whatever you draw represents a part of you.